Jean-Luc and I actually have a whole weekend off together, which rarely ever happens. Usually we work every day or we have different days off, so that's awesome. I'm just gonna do like a catch-up video about what's going on, what's happening throughout the vlog, so yeah. You gonna come help make pancakes? Okay, whisk, but is that your new whisk? Had one of those like feel good self-care showers. Now I have to clean this room because it is so bad. We just like through the week like we get so tired and it's just like so busy, so like by the time we do get home we just can't bother doing anything. So yeah, I have to clean this bedroom now, so let's do that. After 10 months of like living with just boys. So like in Japan I lived with Ross and Jean-Luc and the girls had moved out, so it was literally just the boys. And then like this month, this season where we're living this time is like 20 minutes out of town, like in the country sort of thing, so we're not like close to anyone in town. And if you've been following along, then you would have seen that my car got written off, so we don't have transport into town to like visit people or see anybody anymore. So yeah, I think I'm just like definitely missing that girl bond or like those girly chats. Just having a girly day. We get up at like 6 o'clock in the morning and then go straight to work because it takes us an hour from this house to get to work every day. Yeah, I'm just putting in the Zala hair extensions. Like I love having short hair, but I also really love having long hair, and I can never decide what I love more. So I like keep my hair short and then wear extensions so that I can have both. At work, you know, it's like so busy, like constantly so busy, so you don't have time to like stop and talk to anybody, or like if you have a chat, you know, you're not working, so you've got to like keep going. So I guess there's not really any opportunity to like have that bond at the moment. But like I love living with the boys. They're a lot more easygoing about things. Yeah, I really enjoy living with the boys. I'm definitely missing that girl time. So we officially have 2 more weeks living where we are here in Kalkite. My dad is going to come and drive to get us because we don't have a car to get back home now, so it's going to be his first time ever seeing snow. The snow is getting really slushy, and I was like, oh no, he's going to come and it's going to be like grass and wet soggy ice, but it might hold up. There's still 2 weeks to go, so we'll see. So this is our like little front driveway. It's really quiet along here too, and there's like some more houses back there, and this is our front veranda, and it like wraps around like over the side too, so it's pretty cool. And then front door, we go inside, leave our shoes and stuff. Little key rack, little dining space. The house is massive, like when you look at it as a whole. It's a bit messy, but we've got a kitchen and we have a fireplace which is delicious. And this is our little picnic space. Say hello. And our little bedroom. I've got our own bathroom too, so that's really cool. Mini house tour. Ah! It's cold.
I'm just going to chuck this one on quickly and then bring them up.
Hey. So we have a little like a food compost bin, so like we keep all our food scraps and then we bring it out to this little compost bin out the back here. It's spring now, so there's like the Australian wattle. There's like usually some chunky worms. I love this thing, honestly, it's so good. And then the worms eat up all the food. There's some chunky wormies in here. Some fat boys. So good. Are you scared?
Little concern for his own safety.
I'm concerned for my safety.
Yeah.
Nice.
Come on, you can thaw it.
Hulk it.
Ugh, no, not quite. Okay. I can't get my other hand in there to lever it open.
There we go. It's cold.
Oh.
I have clothes on. A very full cup of joe. Can you sip it? I've been applying for an ABN, which is Australian business number. So I have finally put through all of that. So now my little give yourself a pulse thing is officially a registered business, which is super cool. So now like I can put up through all my website and submit payment plans and like add on all those really cool things to add to my business. So yeah, I'm just editing my website right now. So this is like what it looks like when I'm editing the website. But if you go under the well-being tab, there will be a option for audio coaching, but at the moment I just have the one-on-one coaching set up because I haven't recorded the audio coaching yet. So this is all legit and ready to go, guys, which is super cool. But for the month of September, I am doing like some free coaching still just because it's new. So down here you can schedule your appointment, but at the moment that will take you through to payment process. But if you guys are interested, wow, 10 minutes. Yeah, so if you guys are interested in like some of the coaching sessions, like just message me. Sometimes it can be like pretty intimidating because of how like it's set up. It's like one-on-one coaching service, which means you like either do a call or like a video chat, and then we go through some like pretty vulnerable topics. But I want to make sure that you guys are like super comfortable if you come to me about this too. And I am setting up different methods. So like if you're somebody who gets a little bit intimidated by doing a phone call or a video chat because like these things are raw and it's like right in your face, then I want to have like just a written version and an audio coaching so that you can just download it and listen to it as you go. So let me know what you think about that, guys. I really love all your feedback about what I'm doing because I want to know that what I'm saying and doing is coming across in the right way. And hearing your feedback and comments, like it just makes all the difference. Like you might think just giving a thumbs up is like not doing really much, but for me it helps me know that you guys see my posts and that it's coming across in the right way. And of course, if you guys have any feedback, I would love that even more. I just want to make sure that it's comfortable and easy for everybody. So yeah, love all the feedback, guys, and check it all out on my website. I'll leave it in the description box below if you want to check that out too.